Another commonly asked question is about mouthwashes, when to use a mouthwash and what's the best mouthwash to use. So if you've watched our other videos, you will know that as dental care professionals, we advocate that you just brush your teeth and spit and not to rinse afterwards. So therefore, we don't want you to use a mouthwash straight after brushing. So use the mouthwash at any other time of day. You can use it once or twice a day, just swish around for about 30 seconds. So that's when to use the mouthwash. What mouthwash to use. So if I go through some of these particular mouthwashes, this one here is a fluoride mouthwash. This is a brilliant mouthwash in that it contains the highest amount of fluoride of any mouthwash on the market. When do you use this? Use this if you've got lots of restorations in your mouth. So you've got lots of fillings, you've got crowns, or maybe you're taking medication that dries your mouth out so you don't have the antibacterial effect of saliva. So use this mouthwash a couple of times a day, like I said before, swish around for about 30 seconds. This one is an antibacterial mouthwash. So when to use this one? Use this one just because you feel that you would like to use a mouthwash, freshen your breath. If you feel that your dexterity, so your brushing, is not particularly good, this is the only time I would say you can use a mouthwash straight after brushing. So perhaps if you're a bit older, and like I said before, you've got arthritis and perhaps your brushing just really isn't very good, then you can use it straight after brushing. These ones here are because you've got problems, and that's because you've got an infection or you've got an irritation, perhaps you've had trauma. This particular one is really common, and I get so many patients that come in and they end up with so much staining on their teeth because they've used it as an everyday mouthwash. It's not an everyday mouthwash. It's only to be used under the direction of your hygienist or your dentist, and just use it for a couple of days because of a reason, you know, you have an infection or you have some trauma, etc. This one here is because you've got a bit of irritation or you've got some soreness. Again, don't use it after brushing, just use it another couple of times a day. Okay, hope that helps.